The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Boulevard, Alpha G, Crossroad, everybody get it? Yeah, man, alright, alright, ready? Send it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall there. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see. And I just presented a video to you that is out on social media. And according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that a person that is said to be a Jamaican band teaching persons within the United States Army a little bit of the Jamaican style, you see. Yeah, and those information is not really confirmed to me, but I'm just telling you what has been said about this video on social media, you see me? Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have some interesting videos to show you right about now, you see me? And you know, me just get into one of the videos right away. I'm explain while I move along, you see me? And I also have an audio that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, you see? So you can tell me what you think about the audio and the videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and the one we just present to you as well, you see? Now the first video I'm going to show you right about now is going to show of a person explaining the difference between two masks. You know, the type of mask you put over your face where, you know, it helps you protect from the coronavirus out there, according to what has been said about these masks, you see me? Well, this person is going to show you something about the difference between, you know, types of mask, you see me I said to you, and how to find out which one of them might be the best to use, you see me? Now, take a look at this video and observe.
Masks from China. This is what I got. And this one is the one I bought from Houston. So how to test if the mask works or not. So you put mask on, and then you light a lighter, then you blow it. So this one I got from Houston, the fire will not go off. Now watch the one I got from China. So this one you cannot wear outside. It's not gonna work unless you put the two together.
Okay, so basically what me I get to understand from what this person is saying in that video is that some of the masks them thinner than some. Some of them set away that's when you blow, the breeze go through it easily. Eh? You know, it just might be true. You see me I say? It might be true. You see it? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what this person has said in this video. Alright? I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, you see me? And this video I'm going to show you right about now is going to show off a person that goes by the name of Tyrical. You see me? Now, Tyrical is a artist, or you can say a musician, you see me? A Jamaican musician. Is what I'm saying to you. And he said some things in our video where, you know, persons on social media find it interesting as well. You see me? Some of the things that he's saying. And basically, it's like he's sending a message to the Prime Minister of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? About some things that Jamaican or, you know, Jamaica can produce. You get what I said to you? Or them can do to make Jamaica better off, or prepare for what's coming forward because of the COVID-19 that is happening over the world and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? Again, it's best for me to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding for yourself. Alright? So take a look, listen, observe, and after you watch the video, tell me what you think. Alright? Observe.
Honorable Andrew Wellness, think you govern one of the greatest places on earth, Jamaica. I mean, I watch how you angle the corona thing. But I think you're repeating everything that they're saying internationally, and they're not being consistent. This minute them say only sick people should wear mask. Now me I hear say everybody should wear mask. I'm saying now is the time for us to stand up on our feet. Now is the time for you to lead with example. Jamaica is represented on every world stage there is. Now is the time for you to take the world stage with medicine. You have some great youth up at UWI, UTech, NCU, all of the lab take them, put them to work now. Make them so them can come up with. Instead of we sit and wait on America to give us a cure. When Bill Gates and him foundation and the American them come to issue them vaccine, Tell them so we don't want no vaccine in Jamaica. Tell them so we don't need no vaccine in Jamaica. Now is the time for us to stand on our feet and do things ourselves. Tourism now come back for now. I'm telling you, now is the time to invest in the farmers. Farmers are like the stone that the builder refused. And I'm telling you, now is them for us to choose. I'm telling you, all you people who fly in and hide in the island right now too, be up on yourself to authority right now. I go down a walk, go jump off. Me nah laugh. It is serious, people. I'm telling you, Jamaica, now is the time we have to take this thing serious. Invest in the farming, because hungry days are come. You understand what I say? So we as Jamaican, we need to lead by example, because everything we do, the world follow. And we have to understand, so we can't follow America right now, because they're not doing a good job. You're doing a better job than them right now, Jamaica. Andrew Wellness, you're doing a better job than them right now. No time for handout. We don't need any handout right now. Now is the time, like our lacking, now is the time for build Jamaica. Build the farmer them. So the next time I see you broadcasting, I need for your endeavor for the farmer them for come for them seeds, come for them last, come for them oats. Tell them to prepare for the hungry days ahead, because I'm telling you, it's going to get wicked. We have some great leaders before, like Eddie Siaga. Very great leader. We have a next great one named Michael Manley. You see Bruce Golding and my Prime Minister that. And I'm telling you, Andrew, you're a great leader. I see you leading with your wife and your children. And that's a long time I see Jamaica have a family. And lead with. That's why I know some future there for Jamaica. So I could invest in the youth then. Some great youth there Portland. Some great youth there St. Thomas. Call upon the Bushman them to make them see what they can come up with. I could put your creative hand together. Now is the time to fight this. By yourself. You understand me? International them nah do good. You do better than them. So I could try see what we can do for big Jamaica.
You see the part when talk about the farming. You see farming. You see once somebody says something about farming, me Dancehall, me like that. You see me? And when me say something about farming, me I talk about good things about farming, you know, because farming are good sitting, you know. Nothing beat farming to me. You see me? So big up and respect anybody who support farming, you see me? Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, you know, me I go present the audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. And me I tell you this audio, for right now, me I tell you this audio is, you know, you're going to hear some sad things in this audio. You see me? Now, according to what has been said about this audio on social media, is that this audio is of a person speaking, basically sharing the experience that the person had when the person had caught the COVID-19, or you can say the coronavirus. You see me? I only hope that persons out there might hear what this person is saying in this audio and learn something from it. Is what I'm saying to you. And you know, in my point of view, really and truly, I'm telling you, you know what this person has said in this audio, I wouldn't want to go through something like this. And viewers and subscribers, this audio is out on social media, and I'm telling you, it's getting somewhat of a buzz. And I'm gonna present this audio to you so that you can listen to it and you can tell me what you think. And you know, you can also tell me what you think about the other videos as well. Alright, so I'm going to leave this audio with you, my viewers and subscribers. And you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. Now here's the audio. Take a listen and observe.
This disease here, I feel like I literally did I go dead. Literally. You know, I sleep, none at all. Because you want to control your breathing. You feel like if you sleep, you're not going to wake up. I'm not exaggerate. The worst thing ever happened to me in my whole life. I have 3 children. All natural delivery. No C-section. No sedative. On top of that, I have my children, them so young. My womb and my body not develop. You understand? On top of that, me have after pain, right? That means after the baby born, me still in a pain. And it's still not compared to this. This are the worst. The worst. You know, when you take a deep breath and you feel your body go in and out, that not happen. Your lungs are cement. Oh, Jesus. Cement. When we go to the hospital, right? Keisha, we go to the hospital. And when the ambulance come for me, upon the ground me there, can't get the strength to stand up. Pee up myself. Everything in a one. We reach at the hospital. No nurse. No there for stop for talk to you. Right? From them take your vitals and wheel you in a one corner. When me say corner, that me mean. Corner room not there. Oh God. The nurse them just a run past you. When me cough and wet up myself, me I try call them and me I say help. Just a minute. By the time them hear you, them gone cause pure running, nobody now walk. You hear me? Oh God. You see stretcher when me come on in a hospital. I want plastic kind of something and a fabric mattress. The plastic one. And you know, them give you one sheet on it. And when me cough and grab my chest, I'ma tell you some my ribs feel like it a go bust. Me roll from one end of the stretcher to the next. And me I tell you, me plop off the little piece of sheet off of it. So you know, say me dip on the so plastic mattress. When you pee on it, you know, your skin suck on the plastic. I remember cold sweater wash me too. So my clothes wet up and glammy. And me I do the same time. Here, when me call the nurse them, nobody now stop for help you. Cause them just a run. When them finally come, 5 hours later, here, because them wheeling somebody beside me, and she did a cough, and she a cough and I kick up her foot, and I grab her chest. The time when me I take for record this, me no hear no more coughing. The woman dead. Dead. When you look, they move out she and put somebody else. When me look, them put somebody upon the next side of me. And there's 2 toes, them wheel him out, him dead. Me say, okay, bad luck for me now. But then I lay down same way. And I tell you, it's traumatizing because one person come back. And when them come back, then Daddy beside me. And she say, you okay? And I say, yes. And she said, the coughing is the worst. And then we see them at gear drip. And by the time them at gear drip, she dead. When we see everybody are dead beside me, and I couldn't breathe. I have to scream out for Jesus. And I have to say, 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. And I have to scream out for Jesus. This is not a joke thing. Me I tell you, when I start prayer, my mother, them send prayer per WhatsApp. Cause you feel like you got dead. And you got dead alone. Cause no family can't come in at the hospital. My mother send prayer. I'm somebody for play it. And me I play it over in the hospital. 2 toes them come. I said, them a discharge me. Jesus Christ. I said, Jesus. Oh, them discharge you to the hospital. Eh? And you can't even breathe. The doctor come and say, there's nothing he can do for help me. I say, I have to call my son. Oh, me reach home when me can't even walk. Me have to call my son. My son come in a mask and gloves and bandage up his face and carry me home. I'm locked up in my room. That's some there. For 1 week now, I'm in my room. This is no one easy thing. And I want to tell you some feel a little better. I'm still sick. So, we just have to pray. Me just feel like me I get better. But when me see in the hospital, me don't know when me I go recover and get over that. Traumatizing, me I tell you. It's not easy.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.